Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get Jotform embed code and how you can add that code in your website to add a contact form. So first of all, let me go here and type Jotform. Then let me scroll down and here you can see this form, official website jotform.com. So now first of all you need to create contact forms. Then after that you can access all of the contact forms from here. Simply click on the contact form and then edit the form. Now if you want to get form embed code, then you can go on publish. Then here you can see this one is link, but you need to get embed code. You can go here, and after that this one is JavaScript code. You can also embed the form using this code, but if you want to embed in your WordPress website, then you can use this one, iframe as well as WordPress. So this one is recommended. Just you can copy this code and you can go to any page. So let me add here a demo page. And you can give a name, for example contact one. Then add here that code. Then you can preview as well as you can also schedule. So now page is published. If you want to access the page, then you can go here, scroll down, and now here you can see contact form is available.